Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Goan crab Xec Xec. First, ensure your crab is fresh and properly cleaned, about 1 kilogram. We'll begin by preparing the essential spice paste, which gives this dish its unique flavor. This involves roasting and grinding a blend of aromatic spices with fresh coconut. This initial step is crucial for developing the deep, authentic taste of the Xec Xec. Now, let's create that incredible spice paste. Gently roast 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 6 to 8 dried red chilies, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once cooled, grind these roasted spices with your 1 cup of fresh grated coconut and a splash of water to form a smooth, thick paste. This paste is the heart of your Xec Xec. With your paste ready, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Sauté 1 finely chopped onion until translucent, then add 1 tablespoon of ginger-garlic paste and cook for a minute. Stir in your aromatic Xec Xec paste, cooking it for about 5 minutes until the oil separates and it smells incredible. Finally, add your cleaned crab pieces, a little water, and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until the crab is perfectly cooked through. To finish, garnish your rich Goan crab Xec Xec with a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves. This adds a lovely burst of freshness and enhances the visual appeal. Serve this flavorful dish piping hot with steamed rice, pav, or Goan bread for a truly authentic experience. It's a culinary journey you won't forget. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.